Where are you going? Where are you going? All right, I'm moving. Let's go. I'm with you. I'm with you. Got him, got him. Moving. Hey, it's a semi-only game, bro.
Semi-auto. I got these locked up.
Reloading. Got one. Move, dude. Hit. Good shot. Tax, let's move, let's move. Excuse me. You ready? Hit! Good shot. Fuck. Ugh. Hit! God damn it! Hey, watch that side. I got this side. Good shot. Fucking love tactical rolls. Alright, no, that's some bullshit. Hit. Damn. Still hit. Yeah, no, some of these guys aren't calling their hits.
I just watched back. He was in the same spot that I shot him last time, but he didn't call.
Yeah, the guys in that house, I've got multiple of them too. Dude, I got it on camera, hitting this kid 3 times. Oh, fuck it, whatever. Ah, let's get it. Tactical roll, motherfucker. Good shot, my man. Dude, hey. Someone tactical slide with me. Tactical slide with me.
2 guys in the corner of that building.
Tactical slide.
Hold up.
Ah, freedom, motherfucker! She mad as hell! Someone must have unloaded, must have ricocheted and knocked her in the lip.